In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana, free version. I'll serve 5 minutes. Start by logging into Asana. From your home screen, look for the plus icon in the top bar and choose to create a new project. When the menu opens, click New Project. You can start from a blank project or use a template. To move faster, we'll use a template so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Open the marketing templates and select social media calendar. Preview it if you'd like, then click Use Template. Give your project a clear, recognizable name so your team can find it easily. Next, select the client or team and the workspace where this calendar will live, then click Next. Set a start and end date to give your calendar a time frame, and finish by clicking Create Project. Your new project comes with helpful fields you can use right away. Keep what's relevant and feel free to add your own to align with your goals and target audience. It's also useful to set up sections or custom fields to reflect the platforms and content types you publish, like short-form video, carousels, or blog promos, so everything stays organized. Treat each social media post as a task. This makes it simple to assign owners, set due dates, and track progress. Inside each task, add subtasks for the key creation steps: draft caption, design graphic, get approval, and schedule. Subtasks keep the workflow consistent, especially if multiple people are involved. Add custom fields for platform, status, content pillar, and campaign. For status, consider stages like idea, drafting, approved, and scheduled. These fields make filtering and reporting much easier later. Switch to calendar view to plan your content visually. Drag and drop tasks to the dates they should go live and adjust timing as needed. This view helps you spot gaps, avoid overlaps, and keep a balanced posting cadence across platforms. Open each task to add the details that matter: your caption draft, links, images or thumbnails, and relevant hashtags. Assign the task to the right team member and add a due date that reflects the final schedule, not just internal review. Finally, automate and track. Use Asana rules to handle simple transitions, like moving a task to approved when a checkbox is completed, and set up a dashboard to monitor volume, status breakdown, and workload. Even lightweight automation and simple charts can keep your calendar on track and your team aligned. Save your project, and you're ready to execute a consistent, organized content strategy in Asana's free version.